Soumya. Hi Krishna. Hello. Very good afternoon to all of you. Hi Tanvi. Hi Jasmine. Hi Mindu. Hello. So this is Harshika from A Third Choice and we are live. So कैसे हो आप लोग? Hi. Can you show that bangle, ma'am, please? Which one, the one I'm wearing? Hi Urmi, how are you? Hi Suparna, alright. So a very good evening or good afternoon to everyone. And if you're outside from India, then good night, good morning, anything. So anyways, today's live is all about we have come up with a very exclusive offer just for today, and that's why we have done the live. Usually we used to do it live from on Fridays, you know, sometimes on Monday as well. But just for the offer, we are doing this live. Great, Urmi. Alright. So as you all know that the gold prices have been increased up to insane price, that is 77,000. But we have come up with the exclusive offer, which is we are going to sell old gold rate. Yes, we are going to sell our jewelries, our gold jewelries at our old gold rate, but just for today. And this is a very limited time period offer, which is valid just for today. So do your shopping, do your Diwali shopping, do your Dussehra shopping or Lakshmi Puja shopping today only, because we have this exclusive offer just for today, not from tomorrow. Red stone bangle. Red stone bangle is not ready now, so I could not be able to show you that on live. But okay, after the live, I'll just check if that is ready. I'll send you the videos of that or the pictures. If you need a video call session, we can do that as well. So for those who have missed the live or just came right now, so I'll just explain it again. The live is just for the exclusive offer that we have come up with. And that exclusive offer is that, as you all know, the gold prices have been increased up to 77,500. But do not worry, we are going to sell our jewelries at old gold rate just for today. Small studs or hoops, definitely we have a lot of small studs hoops under 5k as well. Ma'am, rings under 10k. Right. Okay, so at first I'm going to show you this mala. It's a very beautiful pastel pink mala. So just have a look at first. So this is pastel pink beads mala with side tikra, and the tikra you all can see, these are the tikra. And the stone is a semi-precious polki stone with cream pearls. On the same side, on my right hand, it's the same tikra, side tikra, and both are beautiful with a pastel pink color. And the dori itself in the back. So daily using earring for women in 5k. Definitely I have some today. I'm going to show you that as well. So yeah, this is a pastel pink beads mala with the side tikra. These are the tikra, which is in polki stone and 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. So take a screenshot if you want to book or if you want to know more any details like that. You can send this screenshot on this number that I've posted on as a pinned comment just right here below, 6289596105, or you can straight away DM us on our Instagram page. The price for this is only 11,000. So again, this is also budget friendly mala for those. This mala we are offering at our old gold rate. So you all know when to buy and where to buy. So definitely today is the best day and luckiest day for you all, because we are offering at old gold rate. From tomorrow, the prices will be up from 77,500, which is a new rate. So take a look and you can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. In case if you want any customization, we can do that as well. So yeah, this is 11,000 only. Now next we have choker that I'm wearing. It's in a purple beads choker with a pink bead stone, which is in a carved stone, And yeah, the price for this is only 8,500. The one that I'm wearing. This is a pretty pink choker, purple choker. I can show you the details of this. I'll just show you the details of this choker. So this one right here, we have this in purple beads. You all can see, right? The stone that I was talking about, this is the carved stone. This one right here in pink, it's a carved stone, and the purple beads, which have also as you all can see, इसमें polki भी है right here, the corners of the stone. This is surrounded by the polki stone as well, and 14 karat gold. So it is as beautiful, and it covers your neck like this. It fits perfect. Hi Shruti. So anyways, the price for this choker is only 8,500. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. This one right here. This is the pink choker with the pendant. You all can see the pendant very clearly, right? I can show you in this stand also. You all have already seen the look. I was wearing it. I will show you in the choker so that you all can see it more closely and with the details. This is how it looks. Pretty purple color with pink stone beads. Price is only 8,500, and this is our offer price which we are giving it at old rate. Okay, so take a screenshot if you want to customize, or if you, so you can wear this like in a two ways. I'll show you. One in necklace way, as I've already showed you, like this in necklace way, or as a choker which fits your neck and gives you that timeless look. See? Effortless look. This is the perfect purple choker. You can ever wear it. This combines with the pink scarf stone. Price is only 8,500. So take a screenshot to place an order. But again, this is just for today. The 8,500 is just for today, and the new rate will be applied from tomorrow. Anyways, next we have this green Chan Bali earring. I'll show you that. It's our most trendy product, and again it's the perfect for the festive occasion look. I'll just show you. This is what I was talking about. Prachi, I'll definitely repeat the price of that. Let me just finish this. I'll complete with this one and I'll go back to that previous ones. So this one. This is green Chan Bali earring, the pastel pink color in the stone, and this is how the Chan Bali earring looks. This comes with the Chennai screw, so I'll show you the Chennai screw. This is a Chennai screw, and this comes with the Chennai screw with 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, and this is how the Chan Bali earring looks like. So you can wear this with any outfits you want, be it a kurta, kurtis or lehengas or sari, anything. So again, this is like perfect for the festive occasion like the Shera, Diwali, Lakshmi Puja and like whatnot. Festive का season तो अभी start ही हुआ है, so it's like it's all मतलब ये आप कोई भी occasion में ये पहन सकते हो, not just in festive but any special occasion. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this. And price for this is only 39,500, and the price is just for today. From tomorrow the new rate will be applied. So 39,500 is the price for this Chan Bali earring, and you all can take a screenshot. Yeah ma'am, we'll show you the black beads we have it. I'm gonna show you the live. Okay, so the customer actually inquired about the previous one, choker that I was wearing. This one, right? So price for this is only 8,500. 8,500 is the price for this choker. And next we have the other one that I showed you was this Shanbali earring, for those who have missed it. This is Shanbali earring. This is 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, and this is 39,500. Yes ma'am, these are gold, 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity. And can you show me some kanti? Okay, I'll just check. Okay, so now next I'll show you this earring which gives you the 3 beautiful style ways, and it will be perfect for you. The choker is gold. Yes, all the chokers, all the malas and all the earrings, every jewelries are the 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Alright, so this is a very new product which we have come with, and we have also showed in the exhibition as well. I'll show you this, how it actually looks like. So just go you by one by one. So this is a earring which can be styled in 3 different ways. I'll just show you how this earring actually looks like. I'll show you the black beads just after this. So these are the earring that I was talking about, and this can be styled in 3 different ways. First way is this, of course, like the whole thing. Are you done showing all the beads necklace here? No, not yet. I haven't. We have just started the live. So this can be styled in 3 different ways. First this, and second is this one. Second can be styled with this one, the lower part. And so ऐसा था, I made it. This can be styled in 3 ways. First this, of course, and second with the lower part of the jhumka, which can be wear as a small jhumka. It looks very cute. And third, you can wear it as a stud. Like you do not need any jhumka. If you just want to go with the stud or minimal look, you can just wear it like this. Only the stud. So I can show you that as well. So just the stud, you can wear this. And on the third way, okay, so I'll just show you how this can be wear. Here we have given the hook to slide on it, so I'm just gonna make it. See, it's easy to wear. This is our third way for this look. So total, this can be styled in 3 different ways, and this is in 14 karat gold with a parrot style pattern. So you can see this clearly how I have styled them. So this was the third way. This is the first one. The second way I've already showed you. And price for this is only 60,000. So it's a very beautiful earring, and this gives you like 3 benefits. आप इसको literally आप 3 ways में आप इसको style करके पहन सकते हो. It's so easy to wear. Plus do not have to purchase a different earring for a different occasion. You can wear them, you can style them in all a different occasion as per your choice. So yeah, this is how it looks. So take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this earring. Price is only 60,000. I repeat, price is only 60,000. To know more details like grams, cost, making charges, kindly take a screenshot of that product and send us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted up. I'll share you all the grams, all the weight and everything. Now we're gonna come with this pretty royal pink earring, jhumka grams. Neha, please take a screenshot. I'll share you the grams and the other details on your WhatsApp or Instagram. You can take a screenshot of this earring. We'll share you all the details like weight, grams, jhumka grams, everything, even the net weight. Alright, so the next we have come up with a pretty royal pink earring. It's a very good color. I'll just show you. This is that royal pink earring in a flower pattern, and I'll show you how this earring looks. This is how the earring looks, and I'll show you in both ways. This is it how it looks, and it's very pretty. As I said, this is a royal pink earring, royal pink stone with a flower pattern. It's very beautiful one. We have this. So you all can take a screenshot if you are interested to buy. And price for this is only 26,000, which is just valid for today, as they have come up with a very exclusive offer. And today, if you purchase anything from us, we'll be selling it at old gold rate, and from tomorrow the new rate will be applied. So this offer is just valid for today. So do you want to share a shopping or Diwali shopping, or even wedding shopping as well? So yeah, this is 26,000, 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark. Comes with the Bombay screw, and it's easy to wear. You all can take a screenshot. Okay. Now next we have this black beads. People will commenting on this. I also thought why not to show it earlier. So this one we have with the pendant. Just have a look. So this is black beads chain with pendant. So if you want only the chain, like only this chain, price will be 12,000. And if you want only pendant, price will be 18,500. And in total, if you want this whole set with the pendant, price will be 30,500. And the stones that I have used on this is Swarovski stones. So you all can see the designs and the pattern of this. It's a Swarovski stone, and it's a very pretty one. So I'll just show you. This is how it looks. It's a very pretty pendant, and it's where our customers order. So yeah. Only black bead chain, if you want to purchase, the price will be 12,000 for this black bead chain, which is attached with this pendant, with the two sides pendant. And if you just want the pendant, Swarovski pendant, price will be only 18,500. So this is how it looks. Isn't this pretty? Gives it a dazzling effect, and you all can literally like wear it like this. So this is how it's gonna give you the look. And the back of the hook is also gold. So I just wanted to show you. This is a 14 karat gold. So yeah, if you want to purchase this, take a screenshot, or if you want to customize this, you all can take a screenshot and send this on Instagram page or the number I've posted down. Only chain will cost you 12,000, and only pendant will cost you 18,500. But if you want the total set with the pendant, price will be 30,500. So take a screenshot if you are interested to buy this black bead chain with pendant. Now next I'll show you the pendant, which is in big size, and mostly custom. We get a lot of inquiries regarding the big size pendant, so we have come up with a big size pendant, and this is back in stock. So this one is perfect for those who are looking for a big size pendant in ruby stone with gold. Isn't this very pretty? I'll show you the back as well. Two hooks, two rings have been given on two sides, one on left and right, for the chain or for the mala. I'll just show you like how this pendant actually give you the look if you wear it with any chain, something like that. So this is how big it is, like I'm wearing it. This will cover you, like you can cover this with two mala or the black bead chain. If you want, I can show you with this black bead chain as well, just for as an example. This is how it can cover up. If you go with the black beads, and if you go with beads or like a mala chain, this is perfect. also price for this big size pendant is only 19,500. So take a screenshot of this. 19,500 is the price for this big size pendant with 2 rings. And this is specially designed for the mala and for like a beads mala. So this is that perfect. Now next we have this maroon beads necklace. I'll just show you that. And this comes with 3 layers of chain with polki stone and flower decor. This one right here. This is maroon beads necklace in 14 karat gold with 58.5% purity, and this comes with PI's hallmark. So stones आप देख सकते हो, all these are polki stones, semi-precious and beads. And the back we have given the dowry. And these are the 2 flower tikras, side tikras. Here you can see the flowers. This is a very pretty one. And price for this is only 18,500. 18,500. Which is just valid for today at old gold rate. From tomorrow, the new rate will be applied on every jewelry. On every jewelry, will be applying the new rate. So see the look of this. It's a very pretty maroon pink, and you can wear this on any occasion. It doesn't determine that you can be wearing on only just on festive occasion, but this is specially designed for those जो कभी भी आप पहन सकते हो, even on parties, functions, such that. So yeah, price for this is only 18,500, and this is the last price because again we are offering this at old gold rate, so no discount or no offers. Again, this is the only exclusive offer that we are offering you just for today. 18,500 is the price for this. So take a screenshot if you want to purchase this necklace or this mala. Now next I'll show you this. It's a stud, and this is in rust orange. You can see this. It's in rust orange. I'll just show you this whole stud, how this actually looks. This is the star that I was talking about. This one. This is in rust orange stone stuff. It's a very pretty rust orange. It's very deep orange in a brownish color. And this is how it looks in both. This screw is in Bombay screw. It's very easy to wear, and you can carry this very easy. Because this is a stud, of course, and stud lovers, you can definitely go ahead with this. In case if you want to customize this, if you don't want this rust orange, well, if you want in purple or in pink or something like in orange, coral, we'll do this. You customize it in coral if you want. I'll just show you how this coral or the rust orange stud looks like. Okay, so price for this stud is only 10,500. So you all can take a screenshot if you want to purchase this stud. Okay. Now we'll come up with the bracelet that I'm wearing, and it's most trendy and most demanding bracelet that we have, and we are back in stock. This one, it's a flower, pink flower bracelet. I'm wearing it. Of course, this is not wholehearted. I just tied it with the ribbon just to show you. This is how it actually looks. In pink flower. And price for this is only 10,500, which we are offering at old gold rate just for a day. From tomorrow the new rate will be applied. This is only 10,500, so take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this, or if you want to make any customization for this bracelet, or if you want to know more details like weight and etc etc. So you all can take a screenshot of this. Okay. Now next I'll show you the sleeve pattern earring, which is in green stone. This one is in green stone. I'll show you, it's very pretty. This is a leaf pattern jhumka. It's a very cute jhumka. So this is how it's going to look like, and I will show you that. This is how overall looks. And this comes with the Bombay screw with 14 karat gold with BIS hallmark, and this is how it looks. You all can take a screenshot for this earring if you want to purchase. And price for this leaf pattern earring is only 23,500, which comes with pearl as well. This is how it will look. 23,500 is the price for this earring. So take a screenshot if you want to place an order for this earring, pretty earring. $23,500 is the price. Okay, now I'll show you this earring, which is as pretty as it looks, and again this is back in stock, and we are offering at old gold rate. This one, I'll show you the earring. This is how it looks. Stones are semi-precious polki, and this comes with the parrot style with cream pearls and 14 karat gold. This is how it's going to look like. It's a very pretty earring, you know. It's in a medium size, not too small, not too big. It's the perfect size. It's standard size of an earring, and this comes with the Chennai screw. This is how overall it looks, and you can style them with any outfits you want. And for those who are looking for a gifting purpose, this is the perfect choice to make, as this not only brings you as the perfect elegant 14 karat gold, but the designs are just very pretty. It's very beautiful. You can definitely go ahead with this one because this comes with the budget friendly as well. And this offers you the Chennai screw as well, so it's perfect choice to make. And price for this earring is only 16,000. So yeah, price is only 16,000. You all can take a screenshot for this earring to place an order. 16,000. This is the last stock that we have. So if you want to purchase, you can definitely go ahead by taking a screenshot and send us on our Instagram page on DM. 16,000 is the price for this, and this is the last price that we are offering at old gold rate. The new rates will be applied from tomorrow. Now next we have this very budget friendly, and I'll show you this one. This is real gold, definitely ma'am. We deal in 14 karat gold. So yeah, this one is in very pretty butterfly earring, which comes with the hanging. Like you can just wear it like this. I'll show you that. This is in very light baby pink color, and I will show you guys like how to wear it. Okay. So this is how the butterfly earring looks. I've showed you this is how it looks, and this is how I wore it. And the same, this one, which is in light pink color. It's very pretty light pink color. It's a very beautiful baby pink. So yeah, again, you all can take a screenshot of this earring. It's in butterfly shape, dangle earring in light baby pink. If you want to customize in red, pink, or like a royal pink color, or green, or white, any customization can be done. So I'm already wearing this. You all can see it's pretty beautiful butterfly, and any kids can be wear. Like ऐसा कोई age नहीं है. You all can wear it. So this is how it looks, and this is very cute. I tell you, if you give this, and it's actually budget friendly, so आप gifting के लिए भी देख सकते हैं as a purpose for it. So this is like 10 out of 10 product. Anyways, take a screenshot if you want to purchase this. You can take a screenshot of this earring if you want to purchase this. And price for this is only 4,500. I told you we have some exclusive ones under 5,000. So this is 4,500. And we are just offering for today at old gold rate. So you all can take a screenshot of this earring. 4,500 is the price of this butterfly dangle earring. Now next we have this. It's a very pretty one again. This is also under 5k. This one. This is in black stone, white polki stone earring, and I'll show you how this earring looks, which is also in polki, in black bead stone with the pearl. This comes with the hook, like a dangle hook. I'll show you again by wearing it. This is how it looks. You all can see this. It's a very pretty one again. For those who are looking for a very budget friendly, like under 5,000, this you can definitely go ahead with. We are offering this just for today at an old gold rate, and price for this is only 4,500, which is valid for today. So you all can take a screenshot of this earring if you are interested to buy. So I'll show you. This is how it looks. It's a very pretty earring though. So 4,500 is the price of this one, and you all can take a screenshot of this earring to place an order. You can DM us on our Instagram page or the number that I've posted down. Now the last piece that we have, this in bangle, and this is a very pretty piece. I am wearing 2.6. What's your size so that we can wear it on your size? We'll make it any size if you want, be it 2.2, be it 2.4, 2.8, 2.10, anything. This is the bangle that I'm wearing, and this is 22 carat bags filled, which is obviously 22 carat bags filled as in 22 carat gold followed with copper base. So you all can see this, the designs. And 50% is the exchange value. So also will not recommend using it on a daily purpose, as this is 22 carat gold foiling with the copper base. And price for this is only 24,000, which is just valid for today. Take a screenshot of this bangle. 24,000 is the price of this bangle. And the design will show you. This is the design. It's a very pretty one. It's to take a screenshot if you want to know more details like weight, net weight and everything, grams. And this comes with the authenticity certificate. $24,000 is the price of this one. So this is it. And if you want to see more such products on live, kindly DM us by suggesting what are your you want to see under 5k or under 10k or maybe for festive occasions. So we'll definitely come up with those designs on live. And if you have any queries, you may ask it on live. And I hope you have taken the screenshot of those products that you are interested to buy, or if you want to know more details, we'll definitely reply on Instagram and the WhatsApp. So again, I'll just repeat that once again, that today you can purchase any jewelry you want, but just for today. Why? Because we are selling it at old gold rate. From tomorrow, every jewelry will be applied with the new rates, not the old rates. Ma'am, I have showed you this black beads, this one, and this is in a black bead chain, and total price is 30,500. And in case if you want to see like a neck piece that in thin or maybe the thick ones, I'll show it in the next live. Definitely I'll show you all the products under 5k on the next live. And the black beads neck piece chain. Okay, alright, the black beads neck piece will show you on the next live. Okay, so anyways, do your the Dussehra shopping, do your Diwali shopping today only, because again अगर आप कभी भी करते हो फिर भी all the jewelries will be at new rate. So if you want to go for something like as an offer, आज आप shopping कर लो so that you don't have to pay extra. That's why. No, not black beads. Okay, you want in neck pieces, right? Beads neck pieces. Okay. Well, beads neck pieces I'll show it on the next live then, because some of the customers had inquired for the black beads. That's why I showed the black beads and the bracelets. I just received an earring. When I tried to open it, the edge of the earring got broke. And please definitely send us back. I'll send you the address and we'll repair it and we'll send you that back. Ma'am, Kati, I'll show you on the next live. Don't worry. Okay. So on the next live, I'll show you all the products for your desired one if you want to see. Like Gayatri inquired for the, I think no. Harida want to see the beads neck pieces, definitely. And Nitya want to see under 5k. Definitely are free, and I'll go ahead with the next one. More choker designs. Okay. I'll show you the beads neck pieces on the next live, definitely, ma'am. Okay, so thank you for joining the live today. For the next live, we'll update you through our stories and do your shopping. एकदम अच्छे से. Alright, bye. Thank you.